Okay folks, this is how I managed to grow lettuce all year round in the little high tunnel in zone 5, B or A, wherever we are now. Gets down to minus 16, minus 10, 12. A lot of minuses this year. Snow cover's starting to melt. The gardens all under snow. It's a balmy 89, 83 in here now. Here's how I grow it, in little cold frames inside the high tunnel. Then at night, we cover them. Some mylar and cardboard on top of them. And they'll survive. And you can see all these have survived minus 17 outside and down to minus 12 inside. Other than that, you plant when it's November, December, or January and December, first part of February. They don't really grow a whole lot. You're just keeping them alive. So you try and put decent sized stuff in December, and you can harvest all winter. Bye. Daylight's getting longer, the lettuce is starting to grow again. Survived the winter. The garlic's starting to grow again. Some of the other stuff that overwinters in here starting to grow. The primroses are blooming. The little violas are blooming too.